This coating is an excellent solution for protecting concrete, metal, wood, and other structures. It provides an anti-static effect, water resistance, resistance to temperature and humidity changes, UV rays, and various chemicals such as chlorine. The coating was developed by the Turkish company Akim, one of the world's leaders in the production of sealants, adhesives, assembly foams, and other similar products. Its basis is an artificial polymer material known as polyurea. Apart from the previously mentioned advantages, it features excellent adhesion and elasticity, and you can use it to treat almost anything from a truck body to a gas pipeline. We are in Italy. Here people not only know how to quickly build houses, but also know a lot about design. Marker Corona has developed the high-thick line of ceramic tiles that combine aesthetic prestige and efficiency. And these are not empty words, that no 8 inches thick. One slab will withstand more than 22.05 pounds of load. Every piece of high-thick is water, dirt, and fire resistant, as well as easy to maintain. In addition, the surface is non-slippery and hypoallergenic. 4 mounting options are available, including high base, the support structure with height-adjustable supports. The largest slabs are 47 by 47 inches, the most compact to 24 by 24 inches. And how are things going in France? Tribia? They are quickly laying paving stones using the PaveFast system. The standard version involves a combination of a special 1.5-inch thick grid frame and a not 8-inch thick paving stones. And once the pavement is finished, it's safe to drive on it if necessary. The sections are easy to remove. For example, to access pipes or wiring, you'll need very few tools. 3 color schemes are available, as well to match the tone of the paving stone. The manufacturers know that Pay First is also suitable for regions with cold, snowy winters and opens up a wide range of opportunities to create different patterns and simplify replacing paving stones. Let's see what Italian builders are up to. They've come up with a new approach to modular wooden houses. The version presented in the video is called the Model T and was built for a customer from Spain. According to the engineers, it's a versatile house, suitable also for large families or recreation centers. It can be installed on screw piles. The entry-level Model T offers 560 square feet of floor space. The most advanced offers 1,367 feet. Windows, wiring and plumbing systems, a /C, and a wood staircase are all included. In terms of insulation, each project is based on the conditions of the region in which it will be realized. There's also a balcony available as an option. Let's hear from the experts of the German construction industry that invented this formwork option. It features several innovations at once. Firstly, the same formwork elements can be used for a wide variety of tasks, from pouring foundations to constructing slabs. Secondly, the Polytech composite material considerably reduces the weight of each element, so no crane is required for assembly. The elements are designed so even inexperienced workers won't make mistakes. Moreover, the screw fastening system greatly reduces the noise level, which provides acoustic comfort at night. The cherry on the cake is sustainability. German experts assure that the manufacturing process of DO elements generates no waste. Here is a product from the American company Eco Building Systems building blocks made of recycled materials. The process goes as follows. Partner companies give them waste made of EPS polystyrene foam using special equipment. The debris is shredded into small balls. These balls are mixed with special additives and reinforced if necessary, and then molded into blocks of the required size. The resulting blocks of fire resistance provide excellent thermal insulation and have sound-absorbing properties. If you use them to build a house, it will be 700% more durable than a wooden one, and with a proper design, can withstand an 8.0 earthquake. This is a great solution in situations where construction is carried out in emergency mode. For example, after natural disasters. You are seeing a polished construction company at work. Experts are building a practical and ergonomic one-story house. Customers can get started with a 65 by 56-foot lot. The standard version is designed to accommodate 4 to 5 people and includes a living room with a kitchen and a dining area, 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a boiler room. The walls are made of aerated concrete blocks, and the house will be about 20 feet high. Construction will cost about $33,800, and the project can be modified if necessary. For example, you can choose between a gable roof and a 4-pitch roof. There's also a habitable attic available. A revolutionary construction method is offered by the creators of Bubble Deck. This technology allows you to create biaxial voided slabs using these plastic balls. The balls displace the unnecessary concrete, making the construction lighter and stronger. Experts estimate that about 2 pounds of plastic displaces about 221 pounds of concrete. The additional advantages of Bubble Deck include reduced load on the foundation due to less weight, less excavation work and resources, saved on heating up to 30% and cooling up to 85%. The method was invented by the Danish company Bubble Deck International and is currently used in more than 40 countries. The team has won more than 10 prestigious awards from experts in Germany, Canada, and Malaysia. Let's take a look at another option for working with concrete. It was created by a Dutch company. The team offers steel molds for the production of concrete blocks. The most popular mold allows you to produce 63 by 32 by 32-inch blocks. This system features flexible modification possibilities. The use of a special partition allows you to make blocks of different sizes while using the same mold. Working with the molds is extremely easy. The training video lasts only 43 seconds and, according to the company, shows everything you need to know. Additionally, customers are offered a convenient clamp for transportation of finished blocks. Now let's go to Japan. Local specialists use this method to work with different materials, such as concrete. Special stamping forms make it easy to imitate paving stone, making the space look neater and more beautiful. The molds in the video measure 20 by 20 inches, and if necessary, they can be connected to each other. The company offers 7 options, with additional processing and coloring. With special compositions, the concrete is practically indistinguishable from paving stones. In addition, the coating doesn't have gaps, which means that weeds won't grow through it. And the final costs are lower than if you lay actual paving stands. Another project from the Netherlands, the Q-Layers team makes robots that help paint various industrial objects. The robots can handle almost anything, from wind turbines and storage tanks to ships. For example, one of the video shows them working on a tank 130 feet in diameter. One of the innovations is wind resistance. The robots can withstand wind force of up to 4 on the Beaufort scale, which means up to 26 feet per second. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the robot not only applies layers of precisely defined thickness, but also transmits real-time data on temperature, humidity, and other important parameters. As a result, the job takes about 80% less time. Let's hear from the experts of the German construction industry that invented this formwork option. It features several innovations at once. Firstly, The same formwork elements can be used for a wide variety of tasks, from pouring foundations to constructing slabs. Secondly, the Polytech composite material considerably reduces the weight of each element, so no crane is required for assembly. The elements are designed so even inexperienced workers won't make mistakes. Moreover, the screw fastening system greatly reduces the noise level, which provides acoustic comfort at night. The cherry on the cake is sustainability. German experts assure that the manufacturing process of DO elements generates no waste. A curious product from the Firestone team, part of the Japanese tire giant Bridgestone. Years of experience have allowed the specialists to develop the EPVM rubber cover roofing membrane. It's an ideal option for waterproofing compact structures with flat roofs like pergolas and garages, as well as small houses. The basic material is indicated in the name EPVM rubber. It's highly puncture resistant, retains flexibility even at -49 degrees Fahrenheit, and is chemically inert. The material is also suitable for cold application processes. The membrane is available in two sizes, 0.04 and 0.06 inches thick, with a service life of more than 50 years. According to the company's website, about 16 billion square feet of coating have already been installed worldwide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.